Jared from Yoda Expedition here. Today we're going to be installing the AVS bugflector 2 on our 4Runner. Let's just go real quick over everything that's included in the box. Obviously, you're going to get the bugflector 2. You're going to get 6 screws and 6 plastic washers, along with 6 clips that are going to get inserted into the bottom side of your hood. And you're also going to get 4 bumpers. All right, once you've made sure that you have all the pieces in your kit that need to be there, we can go ahead and get started on the install. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go on your driver's side kick panel and pop the hood. All right, so now that you have your hood open, the first thing you want to do is locate these 6 square holes along the top of the hood on either side. There's 2 here in the middle. These are not going to be used for the installation. Now you can go ahead and grab those 6 plastic tabs. You just want to grab a number 3 Phillips head screwdriver and your 6 screws with the plastic washers. Okay, now that all the plastic inserts are installed, you're ready to mock up the bug visor up there and make sure all your holes line up. If everything lines up, you can go ahead and get the screws started by hand. Looks like you don't really need to line too much up. Everything lines up very nice. Now just take your screwdriver and tighten all these down. Remember, they are plastic, so snug is enough. You don't want to over tighten them or you risk stripping them out. All right, once those are all snugged up, you can gently bring the hood down. Okay, so in the AVS instructions, it specifically says to install these bumpers on the actual painted surface of the hood. However, these are really just there so that if someone would hit this, or if something would bend this back, that it won't hit the hood. Honestly, this is pretty strong. I don't think that's gonna happen, but instead of installing it on the paint, I'm just going to install these on the back side of the deflector. Honestly, these might touch the hood. These ones, never even going to touch the hood. I suppose this is probably universal for every vehicle. They just include these, but the way this was designed, I really don't think that'll ever be an issue. And that's it, you're all done with the installation. Super easy to put on and a cost-effective way to add a little bit of protection to the front end of your 4Runner. If you want to grab one of these bugflector 2s from AVS for your 4Runner, the link is below in the description where you can get one from yodaexpedition.com. Also, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel because it helps us out a lot. We'll see you in the next one.